Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to sideload apps on iPhone. Sideloading allows you to install apps that aren't available on the App Store. Depending on your region and the method you choose, you can sideload apps without jailbreaking your iPhone. Before you begin, make sure you only download apps from trusted sources to help protect your device and personal data. Now let's get started. First, choose a trusted third-party app store or the IPA file you want to install. If you're using the desktop method, download the required app store or sideloading tool on your Mac or Windows PC. Now connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. If prompted, tap Trust this computer on your iPhone and enter your passcode. Enable Wi-Fi sync if your sideloading tool requires it. Next, open the sideloading application on your computer. Select the option to install the companion app or connect your iPhone. Once your device is detected, choose the IPA file or app you want to install. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to finish. After it's complete, you'll find the app on your iPhone's home screen. If you're using Xcode, first install Xcode on your Mac. Sign in with your Apple ID or Apple developer account. Connect your iPhone to the Mac, open the project or IPA in Xcode and build the app for your connected device. Wait for Xcode to install the application on your iPhone. If you see an untrusted developer message when opening the app, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security or General, depending on your iPhone version. Open VPN and Device Management, select the developer profile and tap Trust. Then return to the home screen and open the app again. Keep in mind that apps installed with a free Apple developer account usually need to be refreshed or reinstalled after a limited period, while paid developer accounts offer longer signing periods. Always use trusted sources for IPA files and avoid downloading apps from unknown websites to reduce security risks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.